So, I'm gonna try talking and inducing again. Hey, shoot! Not really sure what to talk about. But I guess some people like to read and sneeze. I don't know about doing that. I'd have to be interested in what they were reading. And usually they're just reading some random ass story I wouldn't care about at all. But I guess I can see why some people like it. I like hearing people try to talk while they sneeze. I mean, I like it. I just don't like it when people are reading random things. It makes it sound pretty sexy when they're just trying to talk and they lose control. Because I guess that's why people wanted me to do this. When I say people, I mean one person, but if you guys like this, then awesome. I was so sure I was all sneezed out, but talking is helping me again. I'm all sniffly now. I'm gonna go to my friend's house in a little bit and he's gonna think I have a cold or something, so I'll be all sniffly and gross. Told him I was busy and he doesn't even know what to think. Of course, he would never imagine me sitting here doing this. Of course, if you'd asked me about a week ago or a month ago, I wouldn't have imagined me sitting here doing this either. Funny how things change. Right now, I'm inducing again, because that's all I can do with the paper towel still, and I'm using my left nostril instead because my right one just seems totally impervious to tickling now. I think my right one might be done, my left one might be done now. Maybe if I twist the paper. Oh, it really tickles. I think I feel one. It needs to come out. Oh, my eyes are running like crazy too. Normally my sniffling like crazy, but my eyes are so watery. They get so wet. These sneezes are so wet. Keep just spraying my screen. It tickles so bad, come on. My paper towel's all snotty now. Maybe that's why it's not working as well. Come on. Talk. I thought it would help, but now it's not helping anymore. Well, it did help with those other sneezes. I'll try a little bit more, and I'll cut off this nearly 6-minute recording of me just jabbering on about nothing. Recorded me talking earlier too, but I don't know if I'm going to post that because I only sneezed once. And I'm sure a lot of these subscribers don't really care to hear me just talk about sneezing. And if you do, you can say so and I'll post it, but otherwise I'll probably just let it sit on my computer and do nothing. I really appreciate the nice comments that I've gotten so far. And there's only been a few, but they really mean a lot to me. Silly little me has low self-esteem, so comments are really nice. Another friend's trying to talk to me right now. You're gonna have to wait. So I gotta get this sneeze out. I may not be good at making sneezes come out right now, but sure I'm good at making my eyes water. Hey. This is going on far too long. I think I found it. Oh God, I lost it. Are you serious? Oh, it felt like it was gonna be huge. Please come out. Please, please, please. Darn it. It feels like a really big one too. This is absurd. This recording has gone on far too long. Anyone's still with me? Hello? Wait. You almost got it. This is really ridiculous. Sorry if you don't like hearing me sniffle, but I can't help it. Come on, just come out. Ugh. Okay, bad news. I don't think it's coming out. Come on. It's just one more, please. One more. I think I give up. This has gone on too long. Thanks for listening if you stuck around this long. Thanks.